Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start your keto journey the right way and, more importantly, how to stay on track, even when it gets tough. So, what exactly is the keto diet? In simple terms, it's a way of eating that focuses on high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carb foods. But it's so much more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle change that can help you lose weight, gain energy, and even improve your mental clarity. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling refreshed, not sluggish, and actually excited about the meals you're going to eat that day. That's what the keto diet can do for you. But before we dive into how to start, let's clear up some common misconceptions. You might be wondering, is keto safe, or can I really stick to this long term? The short answer is yes. Keto is safe for most people and can be sustainable if done correctly. In fact, thousands of people have transformed their health with keto, and you could be next. Now, let's get into the science behind keto. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. When you're on a typical diet, your body burns carbohydrates for energy. But when you switch to keto, your body enters a state called ketosis. This is when your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. And that's where the magic happens. In ketosis, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat, which can lead to significant weight loss. But that's not all. Many people also report feeling more energetic and mentally sharp. Why? Because fat is a more stable source of energy than carbs, meaning no more midday crashes or brain fog. To stay in ketosis, though, you need to keep your carb intake low. That's the key to unlocking all the benefits of keto. Alright, so what can you actually eat on keto? The good news is there's a lot to enjoy. Picture a plate filled with juicy meats, fatty fish, eggs, avocados, nuts, and low-carb veggies. Doesn't sound too bad, right? And the best part, these foods are not only delicious, but also incredibly satisfying, so you won't feel deprived. Let's break down a typical day on keto. For breakfast, you might start with some scrambled eggs cooked in butter, maybe with a side of avocado. Lunch could be a hearty salad topped with grilled chicken, olive oil, and a sprinkle of cheese. But of course, there are some foods you'll need to avoid, like bread, pasta, rice, and anything loaded with sugar. These high-carb foods can kick you out of ketosis, which is why it's important to steer clear of them as much as possible. The good news? Once you start feeling the benefits of keto, you might not even miss them. So, you're ready to start your keto journey? What's the first step? The key is preparation. First, you'll want to calculate your macros. This means figuring out how much fat, protein, and carbs you need to eat each day to stay in ketosis. There are plenty of online calculators that can help with this, or you can consult with a nutritionist if you want a more personalized plan. Next, it's time to stock up on keto essentials. Think healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and butter, quality proteins like meat, poultry, and fish, and plenty of low-carb veggies. Having these foods on hand will make it easier to stick to your plan, especially when life gets busy. Now, let's talk about meal planning. This is where many people struggle, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by planning your meals for the week ahead so you know exactly what you're going to eat each day. This will help you avoid last-minute temptations and keep you on track. And remember, it's okay if you don't get it perfect right away. Starting slowly and being kind to yourself is the key to long-term success. Starting keto is one thing, but staying on track is another challenge altogether. You might have heard of something called the keto flu. This is a collection of symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability that some people experience when they first start keto. It's your body's way of adjusting to burning fat instead of carbs. The good news? It's temporary. And there are ways to minimize it, like staying hydrated, getting enough electrolytes, and eating enough fat. But what about cravings? We all have them, and they can be tough to deal with. The key is finding keto-friendly alternatives to satisfy your cravings without breaking ketosis. For example, if you're craving something sweet, try a keto dessert made with sugar substitutes. If you're missing bread, there are plenty of low-carb bread recipes out there. The important thing is not to give in to high-carb foods that can derail your progress. Eating out can also be a challenge, but it's totally doable. Many restaurants offer keto-friendly options. You just need to know what to look for. Stick to grilled meats, salads with low-carb dressings, and avoid anything breaded or fried. And don't be afraid to ask for modifications. Most places are happy to accommodate special requests. Finally, staying motivated is crucial. Remember why you started this journey in the first place. Whether it's to lose weight, feel better, or improve your health, keeping your goals in mind will help you push through the tough days. And don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory is a step closer to your ultimate goal. One of the biggest challenges on any diet is finding the time to cook. That's why I want to share some quick and easy keto meals that you can whip up in under 30 minutes. These meals are perfect for busy days when you don't have a lot of time but still want to stay on track. For breakfast, you could make a simple omelette with cheese and spinach. Lunch could be a chicken salad with avocado and a drizzle of olive oil. For dinner, how about some grilled salmon with a side of asparagus? These meals are not only quick and easy, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. If you're someone who likes to be really prepared, meal prepping can be a game changer. Spend a few hours on the weekend cooking up a batch of keto-friendly meals that you can grab throughout the week. This will save you time and help you avoid the temptation of unhealthy options when you're in a rush. So, there you have it. A complete guide to starting your keto journey and staying on track. Remember, the keto diet is more than just a way to lose weight. It's a lifestyle change that can help you feel better, have more energy, and improve your overall health. As promised, I've got a little something special for you. I've put together a downloadable guide filled with easy keto recipes that will keep you motivated and excited about your new lifestyle. You can find the link in the description below, and before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your keto journey in the comments. Let's support each other because you're not alone in this. We're in this together, and I can't wait to see how keto changes your life. Asterisk. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success on the keto journey.